Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RTNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis a couple times in the past, so that's where that green line annotation is coming from. But want to get things updated here as another good solid day. I mean, the price didn't explode or anything, but the price is quietly making progress. And I realize that that is just a very general statement. Quietly making progress. What does that even mean? Well, that's the cool thing about charts is they allow you to quantify and assign numbers to just general statements. And the easiest way to kind of just quantify that and continue to follow if the price is still continuing to make progress is via the very famous moving average within the world of charts, which is that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher and looking something like that. So in a very simplistic approach to all this, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as you know, the purple line itself increases forward over time, as long as the price stays above it, the bulls are in full health, full control, no questions asked. Now, ideally speaking, which the bulls did a very good job of today to give full credit where credit's due, is if the price can stay up above $2.50. So like I said, the bears tried on several occasions to push down through that area, but the bulls did a great job holding strong. So if that continues, that would be, you know, best case scenario. But if the price does fall below it, not the end of the world, because again, you still do have that 50-period something moving average, the purple line, you know, nicely below you, and at this point has a very nice, you know, upward slope to it. So ideally 250 you want to see hold as support. If that doesn't, you still do have that purple line there, the 50-period. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward here. It's all about the very famous 200-period something moving average, which is being denoted by that pink line. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance, which as you can see here has already happened a couple of times. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price is impossible to break through that level. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling currently, you know, to get up above that level and then stay up above it. So all in all though, like I said, the bulls are still quietly making progress, and as long as they keep on building those higher bases, you know, then, you know, the uptrend will only get that much stronger. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.